Hello guys, this is Danny McElroy here, and in this video I'm going to do a vacuum request, so here we go. Alright, in this video I am requesting the Hoover, my 1999 Hoover Runabout Deluxe versus my 1997 Hoover Preferred, Soft Bag Preferred. Thank you to Pikachu Fan 2022 for requesting this video. Hopefully I said your name correctly. For requesting this video, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So I don't have any testing dirt, so any of the comparison videos that you guys see on my channel, there won't be any testing dirt. I'm just using them as is. So anyways, here we go. So to start it off, we're going to start with the Runabout Deluxe. Alright, that's the Runabout Deluxe. Now on to the Soft Bag Preferred from 1997. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this comparison against the 1999 Hoover Runabout Deluxe versus the 1997 Hoover Soft Bag Preferred. To more people that have sent me requests, don't worry, I will get to them soon. I'm just very busy. I work full-time, so anyways, don't worry. All I can just say to you guys, whoever sent me requests, your videos will, I'll get to your videos very soon. So just keep patient, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. So anyways, I'll see you guys. Bye-bye.